Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a function f of x such that it is equals 3x minus 5 and we have to find the value of f of a such that the value of f of a is equals 1. So simply substitute x equals a. Therefore, f of a will be equals 1 will be equals 3a minus 5. So we have to simply solve the equation 3a minus 5 equals 1. So 3a minus 5 will be equals 1. Shift minus 5 to the right hand side. So it will be plus 5. So 3a equals 1 plus 5 which is 6. Divide both sides of the equality by 3. So a will be equals 6 upon 3 which is equals 2. So the value of a equals 2. Therefore option A will be our required final answer. Thank you.